How to build an emergency fund fast. In today's world, financial stability is more important than ever. Life can throw some serious curveballs, whether it's a medical emergency, job loss, or an unexpected car repair. And let's be honest, these surprises can be terrifying when you're not prepared. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. It gives you that financial cushion when those unpredictable moments strike. But how can you build an emergency fund fast? That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable strategy to set up your emergency fund and start feeling more at peace. Step 1, set a clear goal. The first step, you need to set a clear goal. It's not just about saving money, but knowing how much you need to save. A standard recommendation is to save between 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Sounds like a lot, right? Don't worry. Start small. Aim for $1,000 as your first milestone. It's okay to take it step by step. Once you hit that, aim for 1 month of expenses, then slowly work your way up to that 6-month safety net. Having a clear target keeps you focused. You're not just throwing money into a void, you're working towards a specific amount that gives you security. Step 2, cut non-essential spending. Let's get real. Now that you know your goal, the next step is all about finding ways to save fast. And yes, this means you might need to make a few sacrifices. But don't worry, it's only temporary. Go through your budget and look for non-essential expenses that you can cut. Think about it. Subscriptions you barely use, streaming services, gym memberships, dining out, or those daily coffee runs, impulse shopping. You don't really need that new gadget, right? Luxury services like expensive car washes or fancy beauty treatments. Small adjustments here and there can add up faster than you think. You'll be surprised how much extra cash you can free up when you get rid of what isn't truly essential. Step 3, automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Here's a big one. Automate your savings. If you want to build an emergency fund fast, you need to make it effortless. Set up a direct deposit that automatically transfers a portion of your paycheck into a separate savings account. Ideally, you don't want this account linked to your regular checking account, so you're not tempted to dip into it. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Start by saving 10% of your income if you can, or even more if your budget allows. If 10% feels too high, start smaller and work your way up. The key is consistency. Over time, these regular deposits will snowball into a solid emergency fund. Step 4, pick up a side hustle. Extra cash, extra fast. Want to speed things up? It's time to boost your income. Consider picking up a side hustle. We live in a gig economy, and there are countless opportunities to earn some extra cash. Whether it's freelancing, driving for a rideshare company, pet sitting, or selling items online, there's something out there for everyone. The trick is to put all your extra income directly into your emergency fund. Avoid the temptation of lifestyle inflation, where you earn more and spend more. Keep your focus, and you'll see that emergency fund grow fast. Step 5, sell unused items. Declutter for dollars. Another way to speed things up, sell items you no longer need. Look around your home for unused clothes, electronics, or furniture that's just collecting dust. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace make it super easy to sell secondhand items and turn them into quick cash. Not only will this help you declutter your space, but it'll give you an instant influx of cash that can go straight into your emergency fund. Step 6, save windfalls. Use that extra money smartly. Ever get a tax refund, bonus, or unexpected cash gift? Don't splurge. Save it. Windfalls like these are the perfect way to fast-track your emergency fund. By putting that money directly into savings, you can make huge progress in no time. Step 7. Avoid new debt. Protect your savings. While you're building your emergency fund, it's critical to avoid accumulating new debt. High-interest credit cards can wipe out your savings if you're not careful. If you're already dealing with debt, focus on paying it down while setting aside some cash for emergencies. The last thing you want is to use your emergency fund just to pay off a credit card bill. Use credit cards responsibly. Pay off your balance in full each month. That way, you're keeping more of your hard-earned money in savings rather than sending it off to a creditor. Step 8. Track your progress. Stay motivated. Finally, it's important to track your progress. When you're saving for something that seems far away, it's easy to lose motivation. But trust me, seeing how much you've saved each week or month will give you that extra boost to keep going. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet to record your progress and watch how close you are to your goal. Building an emergency fund fast takes discipline, but the reward is worth it. Once your emergency fund is in place, you'll have the financial security to handle life's surprises without stress. So remember, this isn't just about saving money. It's about building a foundation for your peace of mind and freedom. Stay focused, stay committed, and you'll get there faster than you think. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use these tips. Let's all work towards better financial habits.